Amber Heard wrote the op-ed that was the centerpiece for their defamation case. She said she spoke against sexual violence and faced the wrath of their culture, and this must change. New evidence recently exposed Amber Heard for using a witness to blackmail Johnny before writing the op-ed. The article was found defamatory, and it appears she blackmailed Depp before writing that. Who was the witness used by Amber Heard to blackmail Depp? What is the new evidence? Keep watching to know more. It all started with a Twitter thread highlighting Amber Heard knew she'd be the NGN's main witness against Johnny Depp in the UK. Prior to her writing her op-ed, many of us thought that her op-ed title about SA was a warning to Johnny. If you don't drop this lawsuit, this is going to be my testimony. This gave a little surprise to fans as they reacted in a way, with one Twitter user saying, "That's a pretty sophisticated device," being a warning. I'm not sure she has the ability to be that subtle. Another added that she had already falsely accused him of DV and became a well-paid speaker on the subject. She got away with not donating while reaping the credibility benefits when TMZ falsely reported that she did. Her Instagram appears to be full of messages too about Johnny, rings and tattoos. Don't undervalue her. One more comment stated that, "Why would this judge do such a thing? How likely is it that she will overturn her own verdict if she was unfair as they claim?" Another claimed that, "I oppose AH, but I can understand why someone would want details about their personal life kept private. She knew they'd go for credibility because so much private information has been revealed. The JD team was motivated by her desire to keep it private." Another user says, "But she wasn't being compelled to testify in the UK, was she? I reasoned that she couldn't be forced because she was in another country and only agreed to cooperate late in the game." Another user says, "Nicole took over as the original judge. I'm curious as to why she changed her mind." Another added, "I know I've said it before, but you are my hero. As a survivor, I can relate to Johnny and everything you did for him and continue to do. Thank you once more for all your hard work with Jax, others including Brian." Another stated further, "It'll never be possible to vacate the judgment or order a new trial. Judge A was very cautious in her decisions. She made notes on the evidence. I'm sure she'll tell E that she won't hear any motions and hopefully have her removed. These motions are heard by the trial judge." One user said, "Her answers on the stand were coming out almost before the question was finished. I've never seen anything like it before." One more wrote that, I don't think I've ever underestimated AH, but she's not that bright. Yes, ruthless. Yes, cunning. But she is her own worst enemy when she says things that prove her wrong." One more user says, "She should get on with her life and look after her daughter, who is the only person who loves her right now. Let us hope that does not change over time. That child, in my opinion, should live with her father. How can social services not be involved when the turd is doing drugs? Crazy." Another added that document Elaine filed is a mess, and to be honest, it's full of false statements and lies. There were also cases cited that were completely different from the Depp versus Heard case. Elaine should retire, in my opinion. One more user says, "Sometimes the obvious requires repetition. You've done it yet again." Another stated that, "And that's exactly what she did. Funny how I just want it to be overturned so it's everyone else's fault but hers. Time to go, turd. I want to get on with my life. She does not. Amber desires a new trial. It is time to bankrupt her. Prison in Australia should silence her." One more added that, "This is one time when I'm thankful and grateful for the paparazzi photographing AH and discrediting her testimony under oath, as well as the alleged facial injuries at the alleged hands of JD." Another added that, "I'd love to speak with her. I have a few theories based on psychology. I believe it was her BHPD amplifying her malignant narcissism. After several failed attempts to resurrect him, his GQ article flipped the kill switch once more. The ACLU emails were dense with information." One more user said, "To get rid of the narcissist, Depp instituted the no contact rule. Her ego and emotions turned against him once more." The email from the co-writer following the wine tasting. "Hopefully, I'll be able to capture some of your fiery passion, etc. She got drunk and vicious about Depp, no doubt." What do you think about Amber Heard's witness to blackmail Johnny Depp? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe for more.